how are you? Good, that's nice. Okay, so this is our third video. In the previous two videos, we discussed the name of the pieces as well as how the pieces move, which piece is more stronger, which piece is less stronger, which piece is important for us. Okay, if you not see that video, just go and check. Now, in this video, we discuss the same, ki how the pieces move, but with the practical examples. So let's start. Now I share my screen. Okay, my screen is visible to you? Okay. Student, we already discussed ki the rook move in four direction, or you can say the rook make a plus. So rook go up, down, right and left. You tell me the ki where the rook move, in which direction the rook move. So you can simply grab the stars. So see, you have an option to move your rook right, left, as well as down, as well as up. So if you go up, then you can simply capture the star. Now in this position, you have a 2 pawns. So if I'm saying capture this pawn, c5 pawn, so you can simply move your rook down, grab this pawn, then you simply go right and grab the other. Clear? Now in this position, you have a 3 pawns. You can say you have a 3 stars. So I'm saying capture this one first. So you can simply go right and capture this one. Now I'm saying capture this star. So you can simply go right, left, and simply capture the other. Now, only one star is left. That is G3. You have a lot of option to grab this star. In this today class, we discussed 2 ways to capture G3 star. One is you simply go right, and just in next move, you simply go down and grab this star. That's a one way. Second is simply you go one step down like this, and then you simply go right, and then you can grab the star. It's totally depend on you. You can select any way and grab the star. Clear? Now in this position, you have how many pawns? How many stars you have? 1. To count fast? Yes, 5. So I'm saying grab the h7 star. You simply go rook down, grab this one. Now I'm saying grab the G1 star. So you simply go down, and the next move you simply go grab the G1 star. Now I'm saying just grab this one star, G7. So what you do, you simply go up, grab, then you go again up, the other one, and then only one star is left. You go left to the other one. Clear? Any doubt? If you have any doubt, just drop your comment. I try to answer that one and solve your query as early as possible. Okay, in this position, you have a two rook and the star is 4. It's totally depend on you. It's totally depend on you. You can choose both the rook and capture the stars, or you can use only one rook and grab all the stars. So basically, if you choose both the rook, then it's very easy for you. You can simply use the upper rook, that the position is B7, and just go right and capture the G7. Then you can simply go down and grab the G3 star. By using this rook, you can choose, if you want to capture this one first, you go left. If you want to capture this one first, then you go simply right. Grab, and then you grab the clear. Any doubt in this? This is your homework. Take the screenshot and complete by own. Done? Screenshot is done? Okay. Now we discuss the other position, that is a bishop. We discussed na ki how the bishop move. Right now you notice, if I'm asked ki what's the background color of this bishop, so what's your answer? White. Very nice. If I'm asked what's the background color of this star, again white, very nice. If I'm asked what's the background color of this star, Again white. Very nice. It means this bishop I easily capture both the stars. Suppose this bishop background color is brown and the remaining two stars color is white. So this bishop not able to capture the stars because if the bishop background color is white, so they simply capture, or you can say the only capture those pieces which also background color is white. And this is also applicable okay. So now if I click on the bishop, so you notice the bishop has 4 options to move because bishop move like a diagonal. Yes. So you can simply go this side and capture. Again, you have 4 options, 4 direction to move your bishop. I choose the right hand side, other. Clear? In this position, you have a lot of stars. Count and tell me how many stars you have. Okay. Yes, you have 6 stars. So first you capture this one. It all depends on you which you want to capture first. Then it's easy for me to capture this one. Then I simply capture this one. Now if I click on the bishop, I have an option to capture this one as well as this one. So I choose the up, then I go down, and then I go to this side and capture the other one. Excellent. Now, what's the background color of this bishop? White or brown? Brown. Very nice. So, see all the stars and tell me what's the color of the stars? Is white or brown? Brown. Very nice. It means this bishop are able to capture all the stars because both background color, the bishop background color as well as the star background color is same. Again, this is your homework. Take a picture, solve by your own. Done? As we already discussed, the queen is more powerful piece because queen has a power of bishop as well as queen has a power of rook. It means the queen can move like a plus as well as move like a cross. Clear? So if you move, you have 4 direction like a rook, or you can move diagonal. So you can simply see which direction you move your queen. So you can simply grab the star. So I choose the upper one like a rook, this one. Then the background color of this queen is brown and this star background color is also brown. So you notice if you go diagonal, you can easily, if you go diagonal, then you can simply capture the star. Or if you want move like a rook, so the queen has again lot of options, just go up and then capture. So if the queen want to move like a rook, so the queen move like this or like this. There's a different ways. So I tell you only one way, so you not confused in this. So if the queen move like a rook, this queen simply go up and then take a left turn. So they simply grab the star. And if the queen move like a bishop, then queen simply move like this and capture the star. Clear? Okay. In this position, you have 4 stars. Okay. Let's see. If you go up, you not get any star. If you go down, you not get any star. If you go right, then you cannot any star. If you go left, you not get any star. So what I do? If I go diagonal, so yes, then I capture this star. So I simply choose the F2 square and capture this. Now again I choose, if I go up, then I capture yes. So I simply go up and capture this. Again see, if I go down, I'm not able to capture anyone. Up, there's a no square, so queen not able to go up. If the queen go right, there's a no star. If the queen go left, then again queen not able to capture any star. But if the queen move diagonal like this, then the queen can easily capture this one. Clear? So I capture this one, and then it's easy for me. I simply choose right option and capture this star. Clear? Any doubt? Now again, this is your homework. Take a screenshot. Okay, and solve this position. Now I already give you 3 homework. One is from the how you move your rook and capture the star. Other one is how you move your bishop and capture the star. And next one is how you move your queen and capture the star. Understand? Okay. So now I ask 5 questions for quick revision. How the rook move? Like a plus. So you can say the rook move 4 direction, up, down, left and right. How the bishop move? Bishop move like a diagonal, again 4 direction, but in a cross way, like a cross. Queen has a power of 2 pieces. One is rook and other one is bishop. Very nice. Who is a powerful piece? Queen, bishop or knight? Your answer is queen. Who is a more important piece for us? Bishop or king? Important, yes, king. If I'm saying who is the more important for us again, but now I changed the option, queen or king. Again, your answer is king, because if king is die, you're not able to play the game. If the queen is gone, still you can able to proceed the game. But if king is die, you're not able to play the game. Clear? Any doubt? Hope you enjoy this video. Bye-bye.